Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we will continue learning more tips on how to store, serve and enjoy homemade Turkish Delight. Let's continue learning together. Freshness applies to the mix-ins as well. If you plan to add nuts, use the best pistachios or hazelnuts you can find. Toasted nuts provide a savory crunch that contrasts beautifully with the soft jelly. Because moisture is the enemy of shelf-stable nuts, ensure they are bone-dry before adding them to the pot. Using stale nuts will ruin the delicate flavor profile of your homemade delights. Always opt for filtered water to ensure no mineral aftertaste interferes with the light, sweet notes of the candy. The secret to achieving a melt-in-your-mouth consistency. Achieving the right consistency requires patience and a steady hand with the stove. You are aiming for the soft ball stage of sugar syrup, which occurs around 240 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the real magic happens during the long simmering phase after you add the starch. Rushing this step is a common mistake for beginners. If the heat is too high, the bottom will burn while the center remains undercooked. You want a low, consistent simmer that gently transforms the liquid into a translucent paste. A slow cook ensures the starch molecules fully swell and bond. This process produces that signature translucent look and a texture that is firm enough to cut but soft enough to dissolve. If you stop too early, the candy will be too runny to hold its shape. If you go too long, it becomes tough and difficult to chew. The goal is a delicate balance where the candy holds its form but feels light. By monitoring the texture as it simmers, you can catch it at the exact moment of perfection. Simple steps to making fresh lokum in your own kitchen. Starting your lokum journey is an exercise in mindfulness. You will begin by making a simple syrup and a separate cornstarch slurry. Most of your time will be spent at the stove, whisking the two together. This part of the process is actually quite relaxing. As the mixture heats up, it will change from a milky white liquid to a thick, clear gold. It requires about 45 to 60 minutes of stirring. While this sounds like a lot of work, the result is worth every second of effort. You can see the transformation happening right before your eyes. Once the mixture reaches the right thickness, you add your colors and flavors. This is the most exciting part, because the kitchen starts to smell like a candy shop. After adding your nuts or extracts, you pour the hot liquid into a prepared pan. It needs to sit for several hours, or even overnight, to fully set. Resistance to the urge to put it in the fridge is vital. Moving it to a cold environment can change the texture and make it sweat later. Room temperature is your best friend during the setting phase. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.